Mix the ground beef, panko, shallots, Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper, and egg in a medium-sized bowl thoroughly. Now we roll the meat into balls, and then flatten the meat into patties. In a small pan on medium heat, melt the butter and shallots for about 15 minutes, or until shallots is golden brown. In a medium-sized pan, heat 1 tablespoon oil on medium heat. Flip the patties after 3 minutes. Cook for another 3 minutes or crispy brown. Now add salt and pepper, chicken broth, chicken bouillon, slurry, and stir for another 3 minutes. Set aside. In a small pan, heat up 1 tablespoon oil and crack the eggs. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat. Assemble the Loco Moco. Plate the rice, then patty, egg, and gravy in that order. I hope you enjoy your Loco Moco. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I've included the link below for the recipe. So this is the finished Loco Moco. So we have the sunny side up eggs, and then we have the patty and the rice and the gravy on top. All right, let's eat.